Ever pondered why some people captivate everyone they meet, while others struggle to make an impression? What is it that makes us unique, and how can we enhance it? Today we delve into the intriguing world of personality development. Personality development refers to the growth and progression of the aspects of a person that differentiate them from others. It's a fascinating blend of our innate temperament, the environment we grow up in, and our individual experiences. Scene script. Here's the beauty of it. Personality isn't set in stone, it's a dynamic entity, ever-changing, ever-evolving. So how does one go about enhancing their personality? Here are a few practical tips and advice. 1. Cultivate a positive outlook. A sunny disposition can make you more approachable and attractive to others. Find the silver lining in every cloud, and soon you'll notice a change in how people perceive you. 2. Be authentic. Authenticity is magnetic. It's about being true to who you are and embracing your uniqueness. Remember, it's your quirks and idiosyncrasies that make you, you. 3. Develop effective communication skills. Clear, concise communication can help you express your thoughts better and understand others more accurately. This can vastly improve your interactions and relationships. 4. Cultivate empathy. Understanding and sharing the feelings of others can make you more likable and approachable. It's a trait that can truly transform your personality. 5. Embrace continuous learning. The world is vast and there's always something new to learn. Expanding your knowledge base can make you more interesting and versatile. 6. Develop self-confidence. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Confidence isn't about knowing everything, it's about being okay with not knowing and still taking a step forward. 7. Practice mindfulness. Being present in the moment can help you respond rather than react, making you more composed and balanced. 8. Nurture resilience. Life will throw curveballs. Being resilient means bouncing back from setbacks and not letting them define you. Scene script. 9. Foster a growth mindset. Embrace challenges. Persist in the face of setbacks. See effort as the path to mastery, learn from criticism, and find lessons and inspiration in the success of others. It's about believing that you can improve through hard work and persistence. 10. Seek feedback. It can be a mirror reflecting your strengths and areas for improvement. It's a powerful tool for personal growth. To recap, personality development is about cultivating a positive outlook, being authentic, developing communication skills, fostering empathy, embracing continuous learning, building self-confidence, practicing mindfulness, nurturing resilience, fostering a growth mindset, and seeking feedback. Remember, personality development is a journey, not a destination. It's about the small daily improvements that over time lead to substantial growth. So, start today and let the transformation begin. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of personality development. Remember, the only person you should try to be better than is the person you were yesterday. So keep growing, keep evolving, and keep shining uniquely you.